Hi all! Great to have you join the fun. Come with me in this vlog. 5 minus 2, which equals 3, times 5 minus 2, which equals 3. Now we have this problem. 3 times 3, which equals 9. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we have to work on the parentheses first, then work on multiplication, and at last work on adding and subtraction. So first we do this subtraction, then this multiplication, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this parentheses, 5 minus 2, 3. So we have 5 minus 2 times 3. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. We must do this multiplication first, then this subtraction. So 2 times 3, which equals 6. So we have 5 minus 6. So 5 minus 6, which equals minus 1. And this is our final answer for this problem. Hit that like button, subscribe and share. See you next time.